Right, here we are, the mouse is back, and it's a considerable bit wetter. Here we are ploughing, just where the mouse has just been. Get a fair bit of wheel slip, but we are moving. Right, here we are, the mouse is back, and it's a considerable bit wetter than it was last time. So it'll be a bit interesting when we start ploughing this later on. This heap was done by a chaser, so it's more level, it's not so peaky as you'd normally have with the trailer. Plowing, just where the mouse has just been. Get a fair bit of wheel slip, but we are moving. That hasn't ploughed too bad. The first one was a bit slippery, but once I got out of it, this soil here, which was actually underneath the clamp, was not too bad at all. So I've now got to walk back to the farm and get the drill. Here have all the lorries parked up on the side of the road here. There's 4 here. There's one down the road where you can't see it, and there's one actually at the mouse at the moment. Ready to go and do this last little bit of drilling. Just got to wait for the mouse to finish, because I've got another 3 or 4 loads there, because if there's a little bit left we might have to collect it, so I'll have to wait and see what happens. We're moving very slowly. 80%, 90% wheel slip. We're getting there. Right, here we are. It's evening time now. I'm just ploughing this other field, the second field, this last row on the headland here. Trying to make sure I get in pretty deep enough where I can to bury this sugar beet dirt. That's weird. Not making very much progress, but it's the last run, so we're going now. Right, I'm just doing this last strip along the bottom here, trying to keep in the furrow so we don't plough too close to the ditch. So to get a nice straight edge as well. There we go, ploughing's all done. This plough can go home and have a bath now. Well, not tonight, but yeah. Right, here we are, just in this last little bit of drilling here on this bit I've just ploughed a minute ago. Yeah, just ploughed this a few minutes ago. It's not a great seed bed by any stretch of the imagination, but we'll whack the seed bed up. It's such a tiny area. We're doing 520 kilograms a hectare. It's just, well, 518. That's just how the thing's set. It's set at 450, and I just boosted it up like 15% because it's such a small area. It's not as if I'm doing a massive area. So yeah, it's a bit of a struggle. I think we're getting a bit of wheel slip now. Go around the corner here. Come on. Keep going. Yeah, they're going now. Yeah, very wet and sticky, but we'll see what happens. It's not taking me long to do it. You say, why am I doing it? I'll ruin the ground and do that. Well, I put a cover crop in the last year and that didn't work very well. We had to spray it off. It's such a small area, it's not worth it. So we'll just plough it and drill it and see what comes up. Bury it in the seed, no problem at all, because this is not too bad a land here actually. But yeah, we'll just see what comes up. Just got to pull out this corner here where I finished with the plough earlier. Then that'll be all drilled and finished, hopefully. Lift it up. There we go. Stop the PTO. Take my hand away from the front of the camera. Up with that one. Fold up with that one. Slow the revs down. See, the coulter's a bit sticky. Those ones up there are worse because there was a little bit that was from before. Because obviously I didn't leave quite 6 metres at the edge, it's probably only about 5, so it was a bit of an overlap. So there we go, all picked up. Now drive back home. For some people this would be dirty, like cold corn style, and then for some other people this would be clean.